group can hide behind a phony name like Citizens for a Better Future, even if a more accurate name would be Corporations for Weaker Oversight. We tried to fix this last month. This is a serious disease, but we can't give in to hysteria or fear, because that only makes it harder to get people the accurate information they need. Longer wait times to get accurate diagnostic results. Knows that when we send our forces into harm's way, they need the best, most accurate intelligence to protect our soldiers and advance our interests. Comes out on a PDA that they're reading, then they're more likely to be accurate. And consumers will be provided information that is simple, transparent, and accurate.
So this town hall is part of an ongoing effort to debunk the myths and provide accurate information for you and for our members that are on the phones and on the web.
Government-run healthcare came from. It is not an accurate portrayal of the debate that's going on in Washington right now. All right? It's a gentleman's turn. This gentleman right there. Right there. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Thank you. Creative application of technology to the understanding of brain function, his incisive and accurate modeling of functional tasks, and his development of methodological and conceptual tools to help understand the mind and the development of brain networks of attention.
Chuck understands that accurate and timely intelligence is essential for effective foreign policy. It makes for a good soundbite, but it's not factually accurate. It is. What I told the folks in this room was, I'm not going to cut corners on it, and I'm not going to press them to move faster than it would take to do an accurate, independent job based on sound science, because I do not want to see this thing repeated again. In short, our intelligence community needs to work as one integrated team that produces quality, timely, and accurate intelligence.
If he's addressed this and renounced the notion that you put forward that somehow what Governor Barber said is accurate.
As a lifelong consumer of intelligence, he knows that intelligence must be timely, accurate, and acted upon quickly.
As the hostile troops concentrated their strength against his emplacement in an effort to overrun it, Private First Class Kaho Ohanohano fought fiercely and courageously, delivering deadly accurate fire into the ranks of the onrushing enemy.
Are relatively accurate in the sense that there is real improvement in those areas where we've had a significant presence.